guys, and welcome to Dede's Home Interior. My name is Dede. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do home decor, inspiration and ideas, and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create homes that look a lot more high-end than they actually are. If this is something that you're interested in, please sit back, relax, and keep on watching. One of the main goals of this channel is definitely to inspire. Every idea and creativity brought to you from this channel is just meant to inspire you to use your specific style to create anything that you want to create. The sky is your limit. If you get any inspiration from this video, please do not hesitate to share this video with someone to inspire them today to decorate and make over their space. Thank you so much. See you in the video. Before we dive into our Sunday reset and our home decorating ideas and refresh for fall 2023, I would like to acknowledge Roses Forever for sponsoring this little portion of the video. So a little insight about the company. Roses Forever is a company that has taken it upon themselves to bring a unique style of luxury and elegance. They provide superior quality roses in a box for any occasion. Roses Forever arrangements are unique, luxurious, and elegant, and they also represent the classic Parisian style. My greatest obsession right now about them to begin is how well packaged these roses come, very well protected. That is an A+ for me. This year, Roses Forever is joining the global campaign for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, October. It is dedicated in raising awareness about breast cancer and supporting women to reduce breast cancer risk. How amazing is that? All pink roses are going to be offered at a discount for the entire month and also free shipping. And from this sales, $2 will be donated for breast cancer research. This is so thoughtful. I am super impressed.
Hey, Mama! What are you trying to do? Hey! You like it? It's cute? Is that cute?
A discount code is going to be added in the description box below. Make sure you save some dollars while purchasing these amazing florals. Thank you so much, Roses Forever, for sponsoring this portion of the video. And do not forget, the discount code is only valid for 30 days as of today. Thank you guys so much, and I cannot wait for you to purchase and enjoy your order just like I'm enjoying mine right now. Back to the business of the day. Let's go into the kitchen, our dining area, just to decorate and refresh my home for fall to Christmas 2023. Off we go to the kitchen area. I haven't shown you guys our kitchen in a minute, guys. Oh my god, it's so interesting how time has gone by and I'm so behind on videos, but I still hope you're going to get some inspiration from today's video. If you are getting any kind of inspiration as of this point, please do well to comment the word fall down below. I would love to see it. And if you are enjoying it so far, share this video with someone so they can also get inspired by some decorating ideas, and of course they can also refresh their space for today. This beautiful, unique gold napkin holder with a marble base. It's very heavy and I got it from Wayfair. In the past, I've shown you guys how I use it with paper towels, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I use it as a napkin holder, so my kids can easily reach this, and also you kind of save money on paper towels if you just use napkins for this. So yeah, every time you come and wash your hands on the sink, you can just wipe your hands on this napkin, and every day we change it out. So it's kind of cost savings as well. To the pantry, guys, my pantry is not the most organized pantry, but at least I have something going on, and I had always thought I would make a video just showing you guys how I organize my pantry, just having kids and having a very busy lifestyle, but I haven't ever gotten to that video. Let me know if you're really interested in seeing a video like that. In our home, we use powdered milk, and it has always worked for our family. It's how I grew up using powdered milk, and so I guess I just introduced it to my kids and they really love it as well. So after reorganizing this space, we're gonna go to the dining breakfast area, and I am also excited to show you guys that space for today's video because I know you guys really love to see that space. So just a quick reminder, if you have not organized your coffee station or your kitchen, this is a quick reminder, please get to it. These videos are again for just inspiration, so you can get motivated to do that part of the home that you've neglected. Okay. Over to our breakfast dining area. This space is also a lover for so many of you. I would love to know which of the 3 spaces that we refreshed today is your favorite. Was it the living room because of our rules forever, or is it the kitchen that we reorganized, or is it gonna be this space in the house? Let me know your thoughts about all 3 spaces, or what is just your favorite space in my home so far. I would love to know.
Don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it, put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be